heart passes impure blood? The answer is true. I'll help you recall once again. We know that the heart has 4 chambers: upper 2 auricles, lower 2 ventricles. The deoxygenated blood enters through the right side, goes to the lungs for purification, then the purified blood enters through the left side of the heart. So the right half of the human heart passes impure blood. The answer is true. Next, capillaries have thick muscular walls. I repeat, capillaries have thick muscular walls. The answer is false. Capillaries have thick muscular walls. The answer is false. Next, the lower chambers of the heart are called auricles. I repeat, the lower chambers of the heart are called auricles. The answer is false, because we know that the lower chamber of the heart are called ventricles. Now we shall move on to the next part, that is, tick the correct answers. The first question: the liquid part of the blood is option A RBC, option B plasma, option C platelet, option D WBC or the white blood cells. So the answer is plasma. We all know the liquid part of the blood is called the plasma. Next question: blood flows with jerks in option A veins, option B capillaries, option C arteries, option D heart. The answer is arteries. I repeat, blood flows with jerks in arteries. Next question: the upper 2 chambers of the heart are called option A auricles, option B ventricles, option C valves, option D aorta. The answer is auricles. The upper 2 chambers of the heart are called auricles. Next, the color of pure blood is option A pale, option B bright red, option C purple, option D bluish. The answer is bright red. So the color of pure blood is bright. Now we will discuss some question answers. I already have done it, like after I had explained the chapter, I had discussed some of the questions. I'm again revising it with you all. If any question, if I'm discussing any question today and it was not included in the previous video, so you'll have to do that as well. Okay, so you have to compile both the videos and then study. First question: what is circulatory system? Name its part. I repeat, what is circulatory system? Name its parts. The system that moves blood throughout the body is called circulatory system. I repeat, the system that moves blood throughout the body is called circulatory system. Name its part. Its parts include heart, arteries, capillaries and veins. I repeat, its part includes heart, arteries, capillaries and veins. H-E-A-R-T heart, A-R-T-E-R-I-E-S arteries, C-A-P-I-L-L-A-R-I-E-S capillaries, V-E-I-N-S veins. So the system that moves blood throughout the body is called circulatory system. Its part includes heart, arteries, capillaries and veins. Next question: what are the functions of blood? I repeat, what are the functions of blood? The functions of blood includes the following: provides the body cells with oxygen. Okay, it also helps in removing carbon dioxide. It helps us to fight against diseases. Blood transports nutrients and hormones. Blood regulates body temperature. It also helps in blood clotting. So I repeat, the functions of blood are: it provides the body cells with oxygen, it removes carbon dioxide, helps us to fight against diseases, blood transport nutrients and hormones. It regulates the body temperature and helps in clotting. Next question. Why is blood in veins bluish in color? I repeat. Why is blood in veins bluish in color? The blood in veins are bluish in color because they carry deoxygenated blood. I repeat, why is blood in veins bluish in color? Blood in veins is bluish in color because they carry deoxygenated blood. deoxygenated, deoxygenated blood. Next question. What is pulse? Where do you check it? I repeat, what is pulse? Where do you check it? A rhythmical throbbing of the arteries is called pulse. I repeat, a rhythmical throbbing of the arteries is called pulse. Rhythmical, RHYTHMICAL, rhythmical. I repeat, RHYTHMICAL, rhythmical. Throbbing, THROBBING, throbbing. I repeat, THROBBING, throbbing. So, a rhythmical throbbing of the arteries is called pulse. I repeat, a rhythmical throbbing of the arteries is called pulse. Where do you check it? We check our pulse by placing our fingers on the wrist. We check our pulse by placing our fingers on the wrist.